Ignorance is not bliss. In the case of bowel cancer, it could cost you your life. Bowel cancer, when caught early, is over 90% treatable. Interestingly, it's still the second leading cause of cancer deaths in Australia, taking over 5,000 lives each year. Why? Because early bowel cancer doesn't shout, it whispers. Its symptoms are vague, often invisible, and our current diagnostics rely on symptoms already being present. By then, it's often too late. Australia's National Bowel Cancer Screening Program looks for hidden blood in poo. Now, if you can imagine, blood in poo is not unique to cancer. Many other conditions could trigger the exact same result. Take inflammatory bowel disease, for instance. And to make matters worse, participation in the program remains low at around 40% of eligible Australians taking part each year. And of those, only 6% return a positive result, whilst only 3.8% actually have cancer. So, with this in mind, and the $1 billion healthcare burden, and the high false positives, and the high mortality rates, it is clear we need to do something better. Well, that's where my PhD project steps in. We build biosensors, tools that detect molecular changes linked to disease. And we think that we've found one of these changes in something you flush away every single day, in your poo. Now, here's the catch. Detecting meaningful biomarkers in poo is difficult. It's full of a lot of waste and random molecules. However, we have found something that seems to cut away at all this noise, and it's called phospholipase A2, or PLA2, and it's an enzyme that shows up at the very first signs of cancer. So we had an idea. What if we gave these molecular scissors something to cut? Every cell in your body is made of this membrane, and these membranes are made of fats or lipids. We can take these lipids and make our own membrane in the lab, like giving PLA2 a sheet of paper. So, if these molecular scissors are present in your poo, our biosensor can detect the cut. Now, our hope is that one day this could be added to the national screening program, because when it comes to bowel cancer, early detection is the cure, and we may have finally found a way to hear cancer's whisper before it starts to shout. So the next time you go to the toilet, think, what if your poo could talk?